Alhamdulillah wa salatu salam ala Rasulillah. All right, another English book. Now, this box, which has been wrapped so nice, mashallah, la quwwata illa billah, contains one book that I do know about and may have more books that I don't know about. So let's discover them together. Bismillah. It's actual unboxing, man. We're not unwrapping just again. All right. I know we get a lot of requests for English books, so here they are. All right, Bismillah. It's gonna be a surprise. Always got to be careful not to hurt the books. All right, Allahu Akbar. Wrapping is gone. Let's just throw this all over the place. We can clean it up later. All right, there are two of the same book. So this is an amazing book. It is the biography and mission of Sheikh Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab. Now, this is a very important book and a very important subject because we have a lot of confusion. Some on purpose for propaganda, some from both sides who go to an extreme, some towards ghulu and the other towards refuting and rejecting the da'wah of Muhammad ibn Wahhab rahmatullah alayh without properly understanding it. So one of the brothers, mashallah, Sheikh Jalal Abdul Rabb, he wrote this book. It's quite a big book, mashallah, very beneficial. Now what's interesting is I already have this book and I've already read this book. May Allah reward him. He sent this to me. But I actually have the original book, please. Okay. So I have the first edition, which I've read through. I've read this entire book, which I bought this originally a few years ago when I came across it, and I saw it to have a lot of beneficial points, especially talking about the history and clearing up a lot of the confusion and misinformation that's out there. So I got this book and mashallah I benefited a lot from it, but mashallah there seems to be a second edition. I have not read the second edition, so I'm sure it has improvements and things. I'm looking forward to reading it. It is in English and it's about the mission and life biography of Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab as a very famous figure, controversial figure to a certain extent. A lot of people speak very ill about him. A lot of people praise him a lot. So to understand in the proper context and historic work done by Sheikh Jalal Abdul Rabb, I do recommend this book. I have read it. I benefited from it. It cleared up a lot of confusion that people had brought up. So he has sent me 2 copies, mashallah, may Allah reward him. And I plan on giving one as a gift. Maybe if somebody in the comments really deserves it, maybe I'll send it to them, inshallah. Or one of my students, inshallah ta'ala, will get it. So this is it for today. The book, Biography and Mission of Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab, second edition. Looking forward to reading it as I read the first edition. Wa jazakumullahu khairan.